Number 13, Julio's school is selling tickets on the annual dance competition. On the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 2 adult tickets and 7 student tickets for a total of $39. So as we put that together, X is representing the number of adult tickets sold, and that actually should be phrased as the cost instead of the number, because we know how many were sold. It should be the cost. So how much was one single ticket? And Y should be the cost of a student ticket. All right, so 2 adults. We don't know how much it cost, but 2 times that plus 7 times Y. And together we made $39 off that combination. On the second day, we made $54 by doing the following. Let me do this, just kind of draw your attention to day 1. Now we're on to day 2. Now on day 2, we made $54. And how do we make $54? By selling, again, 2 adult tickets and now 12 student tickets. So that is the system that models that scenario. That's all they like us to do. On number 14, the number of passengers riding an elevator can be no greater than the elevator's maximum weight capacity in X pounds divided by 150. Write a linear inequality in general form that describes your goal in terms of X and Y. All right, X is the pounds, Y is the number of passengers. So the number of passengers in this elevator can be no greater than the elevator's maximum weight capacity divided by 150. So the maximum weight capacity is just going to be then however the amount of pounds it can do divided by 150. So right there is our solution, is our linear inequality. Okay. Number 15, we're going to plug in A, B, C, and D one at a time to see if we get true or false statements. We don't have a lot of room there, so I'm going to just do one of these real quick and just to, again, show you. A is got X to be 3, Y to be 4. So plug it into the inequality there. Y is 4, X is 3, and then you're going to see if it's true or false. Less than or equal to 18. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 9 is -1. And then you have to ask yourself, is that true or false? -1 is less than 18. That is true. So A is a solution. We keep repeating that. B, I do the same thing. Just please make sure you're plugging in X and Y into the right locations and using the right numbers there. And 3 times 2. -10, -6. And that is still a true statement. So B is true. Now for the other two, those are pretty quick because there's zeros for X and then for Y. So on letter C, as I would keep doing that, I'll try to squeeze it in, I guess. 2 times 10. The X's are going to be gone because it's 0. And 20 is less than or equal to 18. That is false. C is not. D, I repeat the same thing. This time, Y is going to drop out because it was 0. 3 times 10 is X. -30 is less than or equal to 18. That is true. So that's why I put that there. And then 16, I'll just finish this group off. 2 numbers add because of the sum word is 1,259 and the difference is 193. Write a system to find the numbers. Let X and Y represent the first and the other number. So together, these 2 numbers add up to 1,259, and also they subtract to give you 193. That's it. That's the system that I want. They add together to make 1,259, and they subtract together to give me 193. Okay, let's pause.